Baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence. I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feeling me. Exotic frame of Philippines. No crease and no stain, no pressure clean. Ice out the chain with hella beats. While the water like rain on that G-Star beat. I might start up and going like I'm hesitant. I won't ride that new rose at that Bennett beat. We gon' cause some Chanel the double C. I done brought her back, gotta love me. I'ma pop on my place like I'm double D. I'ma hop on the jet, hit another city. I got fans who gon' pay for me. I need my shit now, I can't win, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence. But I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feeling me.
What's up, what's goody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. If it's your first time here, so this video is going to be the room tour of Bubble Sky Glamping in Colombia. This is my first morning here, so I'm going to give you guys a basic tour of my bubble. I don't remember my bubble number, but if I do figure it out, I'll put it in the video so you guys can know. So I'm going to start from the beginning. I got here really late last night. I got here like almost midnight, but I'm going to give you guys a tour. Coffee as we speak, but it is a long way to get to the rooms. I'm not going to lie to you guys. When I did my research, nobody told me that, but it's a very long and rocky ride, and you have to walk all the way to get to the rooms. And then when you come up the steps, the first thing is the little kitchen area. Oh, I made a mess there, please ignore. So you have your grill, and this is where you cook. You got your dishes, your utensils, your sink, there's soap there, and you have like your cups. Over here you have your coffee, sugar, milk, all of that. And then this is the refrigerator. Everything over here you have to pay for, everything here you have to pay for, everything here you have to pay for, but what's on the bottom shelf comes with the room complimentary. All right, and then you have some sitting areas. It was raining last night, so it's really wet. This is the jacuzzi. I haven't used the jacuzzi because, as I said, it's my first morning and I got here really late last night, but they're gonna come back up and set that up for me this morning. This is the view from this side. Also here, they haven't, dropped the bed down, but I'm probably not even gonna use that. There's a lot of greenery. There is a cute little waterfall. And this is the view from this side of the building. And when I woke up this morning, there was a lot of fog. It was all white, you couldn't see anything. So just to give you guys an idea, that's where the jacuzzi is, that's where the kitchen area is, and then this is my bubble. Now it's a little bit messy, so I fixed her up a tad bit for you guys. So when you come into your bubble, there's some sitting areas here. You get 2 blankets and you get 2 robes. I'm wearing one of the robes right now. There's a basket of towels here. You have your charging area. The bed is here, but we're not gonna get into the bed just yet. I think this is a storage area. I haven't looked inside. That's my stuff right beside the bin. More charging spots. That is the light that you get. So you just flip the switch, and yeah, there's also other lights outside. I'm gonna go back and show you guys a switch. This is the bed. You can pull these at night or during the day if you feel like you wanna. For privacy, you can close the door, but it doesn't have a lock. Again, something no one told me. As I was saying, you can close the door, but it doesn't have a lock. It can't. I don't know if you can pull it from outside, because the person that checked me in last night, because I was late, he was Spanish. This is the top of the bubble. It's a really nice size. Love. Now onto the bathroom. The bathroom is right beside the bubble. That's your sink, shampoo, towels, and towels. That's me. And now the mirror, el baño. The bathroom. And the toilet. What am I saying? El baño is bathroom. And then this is your shower. They do have hot water. So hot water, cold water. Soap is there. Don't know why the soap is open. I'm assuming that is shampoo. Now let me go back outside so I can show you guys the rest of the lights that I was referring to. I am assuming these are for like towels, or if you want to hang up your clothes. But just look at the bubble and how beautiful it is. I think the sun is coming up. So this is where the light switches are, and you are allowed to sleep with the lights on if you want to. So there's a light there, there's a light there. So this is the switch that controls them. Well, the light is here. I think that's just the reflection, but there's some lights, and this is the switch that controls them. So yeah, but that's pretty much everything that comes with the room. Don't know what those are. I'm probably not gonna use them. Jacuzzi, as I said, very, very beautiful hotel. So another thing I forgot to add, it's really, really cold here. It is super duper cold. As I said, it rained last night, so probably that is one of the reasons why it was so cold. But I slept under 2 blankets, in a sweater and a t-shirt last night. So just in case that helps anybody, it is super duper cold. It was super duper cold when I got here. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. I have Wi-Fi, but the Wi-Fi doesn't connect all the way up here. As I said, it's a long way down. I can't even see the reception area from here. It's a long way down. It's a really, really long walk. There's cell service, but if you're traveling here, it is best to probably get a SIM card when you get here, because I have roaming, it doesn't work. I'm kind of mad, but at the same time I don't really mind, because probably I just needed a break. But yeah, that's about everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.